Chromecast.
Whatever,
yeah.
I'm not
You
coming
don't
out.
want to drive
It's too
around.
cold, man. It's too
Oh, I
cold.
feel it. It's really cold. I feel it now.
Yeah. I'm not. We'll stay in the house.
Yeah.
I mean, it's only one night. Time
know.
we eat dinner, it's almost bedtime. Well, for me, not for
Oh,
you.
well, yeah, I know.
Because I'm in bed early.
I know.
Well, we still gotta take a shower.
Yes.
We're gonna buy snacks, right?
If it's over. Oh, you're in the thing, right? I don't know where.
No,
they...
but they got the vending thing too.
I saw the vending machine. What it is?
Yeah. What is it?
It's soda and ice cream, Dippin' Dots.
Well, I need coffee.
I don't see no coffee
We don't
in
have
there.
coffee machine in there, right?
No, there's no machine.
Of course not.
What do you accent?
Every time I come, I get no coffee.
It's not a Marriott. The Marriott has.
Oh, look.
Canadian Pacific.
Yeah, he could see the roof.
Yeah, I need my camera to focus. You got it, yeah. Oh, you didn't go on the other side. Oh, the swings here too. Oh, barbecue, a grill.
Fuck my ass.
Be careful. No. Oops.
Hey, step on it. I think you can. I think you can go in there.
Because?
I don't know. You can hold it.
Oh, leave it on.
I'm dead.
I don't fit in here. Like.
Yeah, that's best.
I do not fit in here. I can't get on. I thought I was gonna get stuck. I hope I don't get stuck. Wait.
Now hiring a housekeeper.
All the way out here.
Red Caboose.
This is a far ride. A lot of
It will
miles.
freeze in the winter, I can tell you that much.
It gets a bit cold in here in winter.
Do you feel it now?
Yeah, but it's not winter yet though.
Yeah, I know. So can you imagine one?
But
This must be.
what is this? A bathroom?
Caretaker.
Maybe the house for the housekeeper, maybe.
Maybe. This is the most I walked all day. All year.
Oh yeah, you walked. She said, oh yeah. Okay.
Bobby walks on.
She don't walk like that, does she?
Yeah. Oh, let me get the next.
Hey, see, on. Very close though. Look, I see the lights. The cars have the lights on. Okay. It's already dark.
Wait, let me get the mail out.
Oh
I
yeah.
didn't say that number.
Do you want to? Okay.
Yeah. We walked all the way around. That was fun.
Yeah.
Oh, get it. There. I want to get that.
Show bug. Wow. Oh, there's a horse coming.
The railroad crossing. Forget the horse. I think I took the
Was oh the werewolf?
There were things that go up. I took 2 years or so.
don't say train. Is it really actually train? It's like some.
Oh, there's the vending.
Yeah. Oh, what's this? Oh, that's the vending one. Okay. What do they got?
Yeah, I like those bars.
Which one?
Those bars, I always.
The Nurture Valley?
Oh, they got vending toys.
We got toys too.
Mm.
They ain't Pac-Man. They got shooting. Oh dear, look. Perfect for where you are.
Perfect for you.
And they have here.
Fuck. There you go, water.
That's right, man.
Water on this? Couple of snacks. Oh, popcorn. You can make popcorn.
Yeah. Oh, you're a microwave. Okay, we do.
If none of here, that's definitely.
You think she'll take it?
For sure.
She likes popcorn, I guess. Oh, okay, okay.
If it's cold, we don't know what time it's closed.
Isn't he? I don't think it's 24 hours. I don't know.
Okay.
Does
Let's see. No eating in? I hope not. Otherwise,
Of course.
What?
Think we have a sweater. Well, they said you could eat in when I called.
Yeah. Okay.
When I called, she said, I said, can we eat in? She said, yes, there's inside seating.
Let's go.
Right there, so maybe they changed it, I guess. I don't know. I'm calling her.
I'll find out.
Where's the cat? Cat's hungry.
Come on.
Oh. Oh, they have stuff here. Oh, that's what I'm right now. I don't know. I want like a train.
These
Yeah.
are girls. Maybe they don't.
Oh, here, there's more here. How you know it's a girl?
Because they could tell.
I'm just saying, I don't know, I'm just asking.
Oh, see? Oh, the other guys.
I want more on the train though.
Rich or this girl.
I don't know.
Oh, definitely. Maybe this unique.
Oh, it's all good, like you said that.
There might be over there. I thought I saw maybe. Wait, cool. What did you say? I want to.
I want one on the train on there. Like this one, something like that.
Yes. Oh no, that's not that.
They don't have. I don't think so. They have.
Oh, that's not
Only girls. Oh, that's not what's the train?
No, that's the
Just the name? I don't want that
like
one.
the golf shape.
I don't want that on the train.
You want the t-shirt?
Yeah. Well, what's cheaper? I don't know.
Oh, let's see.
But they don't have
Over
that.
there.
Maybe this is only it, right? Well, probably so. Let's see. Oh, there's more. Oh, look at that big train. Can we go in there?
Yeah.
Okay. No, I said inside. Can we?
I guess so. Oh.
Okay.
Oh, gee.